Hi, so I'm going out of town for a few weeks, which is the reason why I decided to do another video, just one before I leave. I wanted to capture where I am at this point, just for my own sake, just before I go out of town, so I've got something to refer to. So at this point, you've still got the basic shape drawing, levels, moving the levels, all that sort of thing. But I really wanted to give it a workout and see if I could, use it to build something which would actually be useful. So what I decided to do was build a town. It's only a small town. It's actually based off a picture I found online. It was a pixel art picture which I kind of turned into a 3D town. It's kind of pretty basic. There's no, you didn't put any text, didn't do any like different colors for buildings or tried to make it more interesting. It's just sort of seeing, can I build something this big? The answer is yes, but not easily. When I say not easily, what I found was, and people have said this before, is three.js doesn't have so much of a problem in rendering large meshes, but has a problem in rendering lots of meshes. So what I found was, as you're painting, like this, that's creating one mesh, and that really caused a lot of problems when you got to a picture of this size. The reason being, every time you move, you'd have to draw thousands and thousands of these things. So what I tried to do, what I ended up doing, which worked, was I grouped based on material. So if they're similar material, color and if they're the same color and opacity, then group them together and merge the geometries and make one shape out of them, and then render them as one mesh. And that really worked. That kind of cut down all the lag. You could navigate. It didn't slow down. It was really fast. The problem being though was obviously with this, you still wanted to paint, and so you can't just, when you paint, you kind of might want to replace one of the shapes in the geometry. So what that meant was, if you changed that, then you'd have to then redraw the whole scene, which really didn't work. It was really slow and really painful to use. So what I did instead was I chunked. And the way that I chunked it is basically I group by the material still, but then I group it into like chunks of 100. So it's like 100 chunk, 100 pixels, 100 pixels, 100 pixels. And so when I change one pixel in that, it only redraws the portion which was of the chunk. It only redraws the chunk that was changed. So that way, you can quickly redraw, and you can see it has the effect of basically being like, it has the effect that you're only changing that one pixel, or in effect you're actually redrawing the whole chunk every time you do it. So that was kind of a big learning curve and something which I managed to do, and I feel pretty happy about. But really as well, I just wanted to show off as well we've got to. Next, I think I'm going to probably work. I've been tweaking and working on controls, trying to make them smoother. Next, I think I'm going to be working on trying to make the editor. This is the editor part of it. I kind of want to make the renderer part, which probably should be pretty straightforward. It uses a lot of the same things, So hopefully that'll work out as well. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with things the way it's worked. I'm pretty happy with the project. I'm pretty happy with how it's all turned out. So I'm going to keep going on it and see where I can take it. Okay, if you've watched this all the way through, thanks for watching. Bye.